What's up guys, you're watching another video. As you guys can tell by the title and thumbnail probably, today we're doing something that you've all been waiting for. Every single video you guys comment this, every single picture you guys always comment to fix my windshield. Today we're at the shop again. Oh look, we actually added lights on the walls, added these lights on the roof. You guys didn't see them in the last video, but yeah, the car's in here, the GTR. But yeah, finally we are fixing this big ugly crack. Bro, it almost made it all the way half through the windshield. Halfway already. It's funny because this thing literally started with this little tiny rock chip right here, and it spread, I think because like the heat or whatever, and it spread all the way.
I think you're too fast, that's why.
Oh yeah, maybe I'm too fast, huh? I love this car under these lights, bro. Like, it looks insane, dude. The whole shop looks insane. Look how bright it is. But yeah, finally, we're fixing the windshield. No more comments about Nick's never gonna fix the windshield. Bro, that windshield's been cracked for like probably 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, I don't even know. It's funny, I saw so many comments saying Nick's gonna upgrade his turbos before he does his windshield. But yeah, I've just been slacking on doing the windshield because it just sucks having to spend that much money. It's very, very expensive. I'm gonna just give you guys the price that Nissan dealer told me. Nissan said to replace that windshield, $1,500. It does suck spending this freaking crazy amount of money. I could spend this money doing something else, so that's why I've been slacking on doing it, but we gotta get it done. And then finally, we can tint the windshield too, because I've been wanting to tint the windshield, but it's cracked. But as soon as we fix that, I'm gonna retint the whole entire car. Everything has to get disassembled just to take off the windshield. With a bunch of stuff on it. Soon we'll take this one back out. But yeah guys, look, it's the next day now and the windshield is fixed. It looks freaking perfect. I'm so glad it's fixed because now I don't have to be embarrassed everywhere I pull up with a cracked windshield. It was already halfway through the windshield and I was like, you know what, it's time to change it. So finally a new windshield. Hopefully this one lasts longer than the last one. Literally cracked it 2 months of having the car, so hopefully this one lasts. I freaking hope. I do not want to pay that money again to replace it. It was very expensive. But yeah, the homie Eddie's in town and I want to show him the GTR. He has not seen this car. He's also never seen the E46. He did see the E46, but it was in the process of getting built. I think he saw it when my cage was barely getting painted white. So he hasn't seen anything. The engine, the wheels, any of that. Jeez. You like it or what? I'm renting it.
Dude, this shit is not real, bro.
It's like your Z, but a little bigger. This shit's hard on.
Dude, you actually bought one. What the fuck? It's big, bro.
You like it or what? Look at Eddie.
I like it a lot.
Who dyed his hair?
J Bobbin? I like these wheels, bro.
Sick, huh? Bro, last time Eddie was here, I was painting the roll cage white.
I was with them.
So you didn't even see anything, bro.
We're at 412 painting this shit.
I know, that was funny.
God damn.
You like it? It's pretty dirty, bro, because of all the track days.
I like this shit.
When I crashed in the dirt. I need to buy like seat rails so I could scoot it back so like tall people could drive it if they wanted to.
Joseph drive this shit.
Yeah, I don't know how Joseph drives it. Joseph's like freaking 7 feet tall.
I wanted to drive
Alright,
this
just put it in gear. I told you, bro, it's like impossible to drive this car because it's too loud, bro. Or I would take it on the street every day, but it's like one of the loudest cars I've... Eddie told me he's never been in a GTR.
Ever.
Never?
Ever.
It's like a big 350Z, bro.
Stick in my GTR virginity.
The turbo sound crazy, look.
What the fuck? It's good, yeah. Yeah, it feels weird. What is this cop? You pull over a cop. Hold on, let me see correctly, bro. I want to be in the back seat. It just feels weird. I don't know. It just feels weird. Like it pulls you completely.
Are you ready?
Oh, fuck. Oh, no. My stomach feels weird. Hell nah. This shit is fast. This shit is fast.
Is it fast? So?
Nah, it's fucking fast. It makes my stomach feel hella weird. That's right there. What?
Oh, shit.
Hold on hella tight. Oh, bro, my stomach feels so weird when you do this shit. I don't know. Fool, if I throw a fool, it's your fault. What is this? What is it?
50 more watts.
No way, bro. No way. Dude, holy fuck. This shit is fast. Yeah, it's fast. He ain't lying, y'all. This shit is fast. I approve.
Damn. My twin. A random black GTR just driving around. All right, guys, we stopped at the shop because I want to show Eddie the shop. We put a bunch of stickers on the walls. SYCKWRAPS, SYCKWRAPS. Go stand by the door so you can see how bright the shop is. You can open it. Ready? I'm about to turn it on.
God.
It's like a flashbang, bro.
This is cool, bro.
It's sick on.
Yeah.
Shit looks sick on. Guys, look, we put a SYCKWRAPS logo on the wall finally. It makes it look so much like official, I think. And we added these lights on the walls, which I don't think I showed you guys in the vlog, but damn, dude. I have a little photo shoot in here. All right, guys, we left the shop. Now we're on the way to this little private like car meet event thing. Oh, I think I see it, bro.
Ooh.
Oh my God, this place looks crazy. I guess it's like a parking structure, little photo shoot thing that I got invited to, so we're gonna pull up and see.
Ooh.
This place looks crazy, dude. Damn, what's up, bro?
Happy birthday, we're all here for you. Yeah, I was just selling everything.
That shit's hard. I guess they're having like a little photo shoot and then going on a little cruise after with all these sick ass cars, so it's pretty dope. This place is sick, dude. Sheesh, CTSV on. It's the new ones. This wrap is crazy, bro. Damn, that hood is nice. Bro, I want to do this hood so bad, the carbon fiber one. Damn, bro, look at this Supra. Bro, look at the cage. Still got a full roll cage in here. Oh my God, bro, this shit is clean. GT3. I just want the Supra. I think I'll take the Supra out of all of these. It's definitely fast, you can tell. This is where a parachute's supposed to be. And then the homie's GTR that gapped me. RA. A Benz. Oh my God, that color is so bright. Doesn't even pick up on camera, but it's kind of hard to look at. I actually wanted to do this exact color on my E92 once. Just to stand out, like, it gets so much attention. Damn, bro, there's some crazy cars here. Woo! That's gold, bro. I want one so bad. Got the homie Manny. Look at this. Race gas, bro. It doesn't even smell like 85. It smells like shit that they put in Sam's car. Damn, F80 M3. Bro, he has the same wheels as my GTR on an M3. I'm trying to convince Manny to sell his car and just upgrade to an F80. Damn, oh my God. All right, we made it to like the first little meetup spot. I guess they're going from like one spot to the next, like a bunch of different addresses. But dude, I did not know we were gonna be smashing like that. I thought we were about to be cruising, but no, bro. They were freaking smashing over here. The homie Eddie tried to film as best as he could, but that was hard to film and drive at the same time. Dude, there's a lot of freaking sick cars here. All these freaking supercars, which is sick. I'm not a big Ferrari fan, but that one's clean. I like that one. Wide body GTR, bro. Oh my god. That shit is actually really wide. That's insane. Dang, my next car, guys, or what? Would you guys actually trade the GTR for an R8? Kind of want to, like in maybe a year or so. What I really want is a Huracan, but this is like half the price of a Huracan, so it'll be sick.
I like on the camera.
Remember when I raced this thing? So sketch. Bro, some of these guys are driving in like ridiculous, bro. They be driving crazy in Mexico. I'm scared to crack my windshield. Alright guys, we're out. That was so much fun. A lot of crazy driving. Guys, we went through like a whole tank of gas in one day. That was like a whole tank of gas right there.
In 1 hour.
In like 1 hour, huh? I feel like this yellow handle belongs in the GTR, bro.
Make the car yellow, bro.
Oh my god, it's so dirty. Little Evo. Woo! It sounds actually nice. This car definitely needs a car wash. The wheels are horrible. They look bronze, bro. I got some bronze wheels. I was so scared. I heard so much rocks hitting my windshield. The only thing I was thinking is like, wow, I'm about to get another crack on my windshield. I hope not, bro. What?
So I'm like the turkey spot.
Eddie's tripping because it's only 30 bucks to fill up the car. That's it, bro. Well, I thought we were going home, but ran into the homie and his little, what is it, Shelby? Cobra? I don't know what the heck. Something with a little snake, bro. One of the homies told me he's Snoop Dogg's son. He looks like Snoop Dogg, huh?
Hella bad.
That's Snoop Dogg's twin right there, bro. Nah, but his car's insane. He told me it makes almost 1,000 to the wheels, which is insane. I'll not be able to keep up. Well, like I said, I thought we were going home, but we ended up at another car meet. It's an E92 here. I guess this is like a 900 horsepower and up car meet. So, oh my god, twin turbo Huracan. Woo! That shit is crazy. God damn, that shit's hard. Freaking want one so bad, bro. Yeah, we got a bunch of fast cars here. Look at that thing. Look at the tire on these cars. We got the homies GTR. Woo! This shit is insane, bro. I remember this one from like a couple of vlogs ago when he was out racing Sam. Stock. This fool is stupid fast. Bro, it just sounds insane. Like just idling, you can tell that shit is not stock. There's another one, guys. Twin turbo. Both of them. Oh my god, dude. It's freaking gold. Sheesh. And a yours. Look at that. And a yours. Bro, we're big ballers, bro. This one's the Evo, too. The Huracan Evo. That's just the stock one, but dude. Yeah. So freaking sick. They're definitely both over 1,000. Easy. They do? Yeah. Easily over 1,000, both of them.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Boy, y'all catching feelings.